morning children. We are going to see about the next topic, prehistoric culture. Like the fossil bones that are classified as various species like Homo erectus, Homo habilis, like this, then based on the lithotools, cultures are classified, names such as, first one is the earliest litho assemblages. Then next one is the Oldowan technology, and third one is the lower middle and upper Paleolithic, and fourth one is the Mesolithic cultures. So, how human are based on the fossil bones like various species Homo erectus, Homo habilis. The same way, based on the tools, lithotools, based on these tools, cultures were divided into many. One is the earliest litho assemblages, and the next one is the Oldowan technology. Third one is the lower, middle and upper Paleolithic, and the last one is the Mesolithic culture. This way our prehistoric cultures are divided. First one is the earliest lithic assemblages. So, in this time various tools made by human ancestors are found, where these are found in a place Lokmikwi. In this place they have found, it is in Kenya. Where it is? So, this time earliest people that made tools were found in the place Lokmikwi and Kenya, and this belongs to the 3.3 million years ago. So, the tool they made during this period is 3.3 million years ago. And the next one, the Oldowan tools that occurs in Olduvai Gorge. What is gorge? I already told you, it's nothing but it's a valley in Africa. So, they found this type of tool in valley, that is Olduvai Gorge Valley, that is valley in Africa, and this belongs to 2.6 million years ago. Then the human ancestors, they used hammer stone. During this period, the ancestors used hammer stone to produce sharp edge flakes. So, during this period, the human ancestors, they use mainly hammer stone as a tool and to produce sharp edged flakes. So, these sharp edged flakes, what for they use? They used for cutting. They used for cutting, slicing, and for processing food. For these things they have used this sharp edged flakes. Once again I tell you children, first one, the cultures are divided into earliest, assemblage, older one technology, lower, middle, upper Paleolithic and Mesolithic culture. First is the earliest litho assemblage. In this the people were made many tools and that were found in Kenya, place called Lomekwi. In that place they found the tools and it belongs to 3.3 million years ago. And the older one tools, this type of tools that found in the Oldovi Gorge, where Gorge is a valley, in that places in Africa, in that they found this Oldovan tools and it is about 2 to 2.6 million years ago old. Then the human ancestors, first they used hammer stone. They used hammer stone as a tool to produce the sharp edged flakes. These, what for this use? They are used for cutting, slicing and processing food. Then next we will see about the lower Paleolithic culture. Lower Paleolithic culture. Next one is lower Paleolithic cultures. In this, the lower Paleolithic culture was marked, human ancestors belongs to species like Homo erectus and Homo habilis. This period belongs to the species of people like Homo erectus and Homo habilis. These people are belong to this low Paleolithic cultures. What is the main point of Homo erectus? They can walk, they can make tools, can communicate and have a brain. So, this time only the lower Paleolithic cultures, the Homo erectus and Homo habilis were present, and what is about them? They can able to walk on two legs, they have able to make a tool and they can communicate and they have a brain. Okay children. Then next, this human ancestors flake large stone blocks and made various tools. They made various tools including hand axe. So, during this lower Paleolithic culture, this human ancestors flake, they break the large stones blocks and made various tools including the hand axe. These tools, these tools, they are found in, these tools were found. Where these tools were found? These tools were found in Europe, Asia and Africa. Earliest tool about 1.8 million years ago. So, this tool, it's made of from the period 1.8 million years ago, and the people, the human ancestors made many tools. They made many tools. Like, what are the tools they have made? They made hand axe and cleavers. Cleavers. What is this cleavers, children? It's nothing but knife, sharp knife. Sharp knife. So, they use this to meet their subsistence need. Subsistence need. What is the meaning for subsistence need? They use this mainly for their daily routine life, for food, getting water, etc. For food and getting water, etc. For this purpose, they used these tools, cleavers, that sharp knife, etc. Then these tools are also known as these tools known as bifaces. It is also known as bifaces, and the tools have physical symmetry. It has a physical symmetry shape. Physical symmetry shape. It shows the talent of the earliest human people. It shows that conveys the humans cognitant, their able skills, shows their able skills. So, they made these tools in a physical symmetry which conveys their capability of making the tools, and this type of making tool period is called as the Lower Paleolithic period. This type of making tools with a skill in this piece called as a Lower Paleolithic period. And the hand axe got another name, is also known as Acheulean tools. I will tell you what is this Acheulean tools after this, and they call this is as a Acheulean tools. And this tool making technique continued till 2000 lakhs to 60,000 years ago in India. Yes, once again I will tell you this Lower Paleolithic culture, and this marked by the human ancestor belonging to species like Homo erectus and Homo habilis. These people belongs to this period, and they, what is human erectors? They can walk, communicate, make tool, and they have a beautiful brain, and they flake the large stone blocks and made varieties of tools including the hand axe. And these tools were mainly found in Europe, Asia and Africa. So, then earliest tools about this is when it belongs to 1.8 million years ago. Then they made these tools like hand axe and cleavers. Cleavers is nothing but sharp knife. They made these type of tools, and it also called as the bifaces. And this is what is known as the Paleolithic, lower Paleolithic culture. And the hand axe got another name also. It is the Acheulean tools. And these tools existed in India from 2,50,000 BC to then 60,000 BC. Next we will see about what is Acheulean tools. What is Acheulean? Acheulean tools. Acheulean tools is the first hand axe. First hand axe, that is we got it from a place, this hand axes got it from a place, that is Acheul. Got it from a place Acheul, that is in France. Where it is? It is in France. So that is why it got its name, Acheulean tools. Then next is bifaces. What is bifaces? The tools. What is bifaces? The tools have flaked on both the sides. On both the sides. Bi means two and faces is side. Yes. Then next we see about the food item, how they communicate, etc. The human ancestors perhaps did not possess, they don't possess different language skill, like we have now. They cannot speak different languages during the lower Paleolithic age. Then what they will do? They are able to voice. They are able to voice different sounds. And words. They can make few sounds and words, and possibly used sign language. Mainly they used sign language. So this human ancestor did not know the different languages that we have known now. They were only able to voice few sounds. They can make few sounds and words, and possibly use sign language. Kai mulama seige kaati adu mulama than they have communicated. So they were voiced few sounds and words and possibly sign language. And these people are very intelligent enough. They are very intelligent enough to select stone as raw materials. What is raw materials, children? To produce a final products, we need some raw materials. So, for to make a different tools, they used select stone as a raw materials and produced used to flake rocks and produced many tools. So, they were first doesn't know how to speak many languages, and they only used the sound and words, and possibly they may use sign language, and they were intelligent, very intelligent to select stone as a raw materials for making other tools, and using the hammer stone they have produced many tools. And they were hunters, they hunted animals, they hunted and fed, they fed on the meat of animals, hunted by predators. So, they eat the animals those hunted by the people, hunters, and they eat the meat, and they also gathered plant food. What are the plant foods they have gathered? Root, nuts and fruits, and they ate these also. They hunted and ate the meat, and also they are gatherers. They went outside and gathered plant foods like root, nuts and fruits, and they eat these also. And the Acheulean, we saw the Acheulean tools, isn't it? And these tools were found near Chennai, Izampur in Karnataka, and Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. MP is Madhya Pradesh, children. So, these Acheulean tools were found. Acheulean tools were found in near Chennai, Izampur in Karnataka and Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. Then we know about what is core. Core is the main block of rocks. Main blocks of rocks, children. It is a main block of rocks. From this, by which small chips flake by using hammer stone. So, what is a core, children? Core, children, is a main block of that is rock, by which a small stones, chips of flake, to take it out by using the hammer stone. Then next is, what is flake? What is the meaning for flake? Flake is nothing, a small chips removed from big rocks called core. So, this is what is meant by core, and what is flake. Core is a main block of rock by which a small chips of flake by using hammer stone, and flake is a small chip removed from this core, big rock. Yes, this is about the lower Paleolithic age. Next, we are going to see about the middle Paleolithic age. Next is the middle Paleolithic culture. After about how many years? After about 3,98,000 BCE, there was further changes take place, further changes took place in the tools, lithic tools, took place in the lithic tools technology in Africa. So, this period, Middle Paleolithic culture period, and that period is from 39800 PC, and further this period there was further changes in the lithic tools technology in Africa. In this time, species like Homo erectus exist. This period only these people that is able to walk, they can make a tool like this. These people, species like Homo erectus, they exist. The same time the modern human also emerged about 3 lakhs million years. During this Middle Paleolithic period, the Homo erectus have existed. Along with them, the modern human also came into existence. Then next, lithic technology. What is meant by this lithic technology? The word liths means nothing but stone. Liths means stones. Then the method and technique involved in producing stone tools. Stone tools are called lithic technology. What is lithic technology, children? Lith means it is stone. It represents stone. The methods and techniques are involved. What are the methods and the techniques involved to produce these stone tools? How to produce the method used to produce the stone tools are called as a lithic technology. And this same time, some other tools were also came into existence. For example, the hammer stone, hand axe turned into various designs. It turned into various designs, and very small tools are also used during this period. First what they did, they made the core first, select a core. Core is a big block of stones. They made the big stone and then tools were made. After choosing the core, then the tools were made. During this Middle Age, first they select the core and then they made the tools. And they also used the pointed and sharp tools during this period. Not only that, such short blades also used during this Middle Paleolithic culture. And the lithic tool making technique of Livocene belongs to this period. period. This time they used one technique, that is Livolizine technique. This belongs to the Middle Paleolithic culture, and these tools were found in Europe and Western Asia. The Middle Paleolithic culture tools, that is Livolizines, were found in Europe, Central and Western Asia. Yes. Then what is meant by the Livolizine tool? Livolizine tool. What is meant by this? The tools and implements. Implement is also nothing but it is also a tool, children. The tool and implements were made after preparing the core. First they select the core, main rock, and from that they made the tool or implements. That is what is known as the Livolizine tool. This belongs to the Middle Paleolithic culture. And the Middle Paleolithic culture, when it came into appear, it's appear between 3,85,000 to, that is 1.98,000 BCE. During this period, the Middle Paleolithic culture emerged, and this continued till 28,000 BCE. Then next is about the person, the period. The person belongs to this period is called Neanderthals. The people, the persons, the humans belongs to the Middle Paleolithic culture is called as the Neanderthals. This Neanderthals, they buried the dead systematically. These are the first people to bury the dead people in a systematic manner, and they are the first ancient people to use the burial. They buried the people, and mourn customs also mourn. What is meant? Dukkam, adella eppa kadaipidikra adella vandu, this all belongs to this Middle Paleolithic cultures, and they buried the dead people in a proper way. This is about your lesson today, children, prehistoric culture. I will give you an assignment. Mark down this. Mark this is your assignment. Mark the Paleolithic sites on the world map. Just find out the Paleolithic sites and mark it on the world map. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you.